Happy birthday, Ma. More bliss to come and still maldita. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Wishing you a good health and more birthday to come. Mwah.
Happy birthday, te. More birthdays to come in your life and in your lagi. Happy birthday, ate. Amping lang palagi. Kasi alam mo naman, tatanda na talaga tayo. Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, ate. Happy birthday. Enjoy sa adlaw nga imo na to. Amping ka muna.
Hi, Ate Esther. Happy 38th birthday, te. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy and pretty lang kita always. Love you.
Hello, Ate Esther. Happy birthday. Wishing you a joyous birthday surrounded with loved ones and handsome son, lovely daughter, and understanding partner, Manoy. Once again, Ate, wish you a happy birthday today.
Hi Ate Esther, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come and stay guwapa. Parehas man ta guwapa, stay sexy o ako dili na sexy, okay ra na. Basta kay guwapa gyapon.
Hi Easter, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good luck. Keep smiling always. Or younger looking. Shop puno. Enjoy your birthday. I love you. My sister-in-law. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy Easter. More blessing to come. And happy life. Enjoy your birthday. And good health always.
Happy birthday, Mami. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, me. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Stay healthy, guwapa. Diba? Guwapa ta. Happy birthday. Miss you. Thank you sa tanan. Nimong gibuhat sa mo. Thank you, me. Ingat.
Happy birthday, me. More birthdays to come and good health as always. Stay sexy and pretty, mommy. Hope me mag-enjoy ka sa imong birthday. We love you, me. God bless.
Hi, Madam. Happy birthday. Birthday na ni Charles. So, happy birthday and thank you sa imuhang pagpanganak kay Ering na si Evelyn. So, through her, I found a true friend na anytime if na kay problem is maingnan ako siya. Always siyang naa for me. And wishing you all the best in life. Stay healthy and enjoy your day. Bye! Happy birthday! Mwah!
Hi, Ate Esther. Happy birthday.